So the chakras aren't some magical thing, right? The chakras actually correlate to the organs on the body. For example, the heart chakra is the heart, the solar plexus is the gut, the third eye is the pineal gland. So each one of these things, right, for example, the heart has a connection to the mind or the brain. So each one of these organs has some nerves connecting to the brain, and most people have these nerves blocked, right? So through the stuff I'm saying, the triad of ascension and the system of yoga and awakening, you're pretty much re-establishing that heart-mind connection or gut-brain connection. So yeah, I'll go further with it, right? So all of the organs, all of the nerves from every part will stem back to the spine, right? So again, the spine is pretty much the key, right? Because if you can work on the spine, you're not working just with the organs, you're working at the root of the blockages that extend out. So in science, you would say the chakras are the organs. So you pretty much want to re-establish the full coherence of every organ with the brain to be in sync, right? But in yoga, you would kind of say you align all of the chakras, because the third eye, which we would perceive as the brain, is the command center of all of the other organs / chakras. So also a side note, if you were to directly work with the third eye before working on the other chakras, you would pull up the impressions and blockages from the other chakras, right? So you would have to deal with them much stronger. So this is why it's emphasized to clear the lower chakras before working on the higher ones. All right, so one more thing as well, right? The organs are on the physical body, but the chakras are on the astral body. So how does this work? Because there's an electromagnetic field on each of the organs to some extent, right? Some energy. So once we look at the energy on the subtle body, because the subtle body is the energy body, there will be some sort of vortex of energy around the organ, right? So that's what the chakra is. The energy that's pretty much visible only from the subtle body.